Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful smushy and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, pink by Salon Perfect called Good Vibes Only, red by China Glaze called Just Be Claws, I love that name, and a purple also by China Glaze called Mix and Mingle. I'm going to apply white polish onto a sandwich bag. I like using them because once I'm done, I just throw it away. But you can apply it onto a nail mat. It's up to you. Then using the pink, red, and purple, I'm going to brush it onto the white. Kind of do it fast because you want those colors to mix together and you don't want the white to dry too fast. Once I was done, I'm going to use a nail stamper to pick up the design. I'm going to apply it onto my nails. This kind of gives you a fan brush design. If you don't want to do the whole fan brush design, this is a quick and easier way to do it. Then using my King of Hearts DXE 05 nail plate, I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto a zigzag design. I love this plate. It's acrylic. It picks up really well. I love it. I rarely find them though. I don't know where they're at, but I love it. And I'm going to apply that stamp design onto my nails. I just thought adding that black stamp design kind of breaks up the whole thing and it gives it a cool abstract look, which I love. Once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy for you to recreate if you liked. I loved it. Here's the finished look. If you did love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram app, Funwithmynails, to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.